Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Honeywell thermostat just like the one that you see right over here. I'll be going over specifically the process for what to do for if you want to reset it to factory settings, and I'll be showing you how to do it with a few simple instructions. So once again, essentially the video topic is the following. This video is about a Honeywell thermostat just like this one right here, and I'll be showing you what to do if you want to reset it to factory settings, and I'll show you how to do it with a few simple instructions. Let's get right into this. So let's say you bought one used or you want to just reset it back to factory settings. Really easy to do. You want to start off by accessing the advanced menu. So I'm just going to illuminate the screen. To access the advanced menu, you want to hold menu and plus for a few seconds simultaneously. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring up the advanced menu over here, like sort of like a secret menu almost. And then you're going to scroll, okay, until you get to the option to reset. So look, restore defaults. That is going to allow you, if I push select, it's going to reset the whole thing to factory settings. I'm not going to push select because I don't want to do that. But if you push select, that's how you reset it to factory settings. There's also another option over here that says reset schedule. And that allows you to reset the schedule and start fresh with the schedule. But that's basically, I'm not going to do either of those, obviously. I don't want to do them. But that's how to reset it back to factory settings. And also as a bonus, how to reset the schedule by itself. That's it. I'm going to go back home because I don't need to do any of those. But yeah, if you want to reset your Honeywell thermostat back to factory settings, really easy to do, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. This is a Honeywell T4, but most Honeywell thermostats are going to be a very similar process for resetting them. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.